Hello! So today I am going to be showing you how I sort out my skincare in Notion. And also welcome to my channel. My name is Frances and I am the founder of the Notion Bar, where I create Notion templates, and I'm also a consultant and coach. Today I'll be walking you through my skincare diary that I've built in Notion. You can download it in the description. And honestly, this has made me get really serious about my skin. I don't know about you, but during lockdown, for whatever reason, my skin just went really crazy. And so I just felt like I needed a place to document all of the steps that I was taking to kind of get back to quote unquote my normal self. And yeah, it has helped me, so I hope it helps you. First of all, if you don't have Notion, it's free. Notion.so, and once you download the template, you'll get a link and you'll just need to click a duplicate button, which will be in your top right side of your screen. And once you do that, you can start adding your content. The first thing that you're gonna do is add what your skincare goals are. So these are mine, but you can add any goal you want here. And the next thing you're going to do is add products to your beauty shelf. These are currently the products that I'm using, but to add a new one, it's very simple. You would have clicked this new button, but I already made one. So you would add in the title, then you'd create a tag for the brand. You can also change the colors if you like. Then you would say what it is. Again, you can add new tags if you feel like it, and the template will sort by the order of which these tags are in. So if you do things in a slightly different order, then you can drag and drop these to match whatever your order is. And then if that particular product is part of your current skincare routine, then you are going to say it's in your day routine or your night routine. And when the time is right and you feel like you've used it enough, you can also give that product a rating. So I'm just going to delete this because we no longer need that. But anyways, that is your beauty shelf. And you can view your current skincare routine here, and I've included several views for you. So you can see that everything that was tagged with night routine is showing in the night routine table view. The same for the day routine table view, and you can view everything in a board view. This is a traditional like Kanban board style. To get the images, I don't think I mentioned this, you would just copy and paste an image from Google, the product website, in this blank space down here. And then the next thing is you are going to start uploading images of yourself. And so this is pulling from your skincare diary, which is stored down here, and it's going to pull through day 1, day 50, and day 100 of your skincare journey using this template. I haven't gotten to day 50 or day 100 yet. I'm still quite early on, so which is why these are empty, but here are my starting off photos. As you can see, it was just bad vibes, bad vibes when I started off. So I've got a left side of my face and a right side of my face. This is really good to just track your progress and see how things are improving. Down here, you've got your skincare diary broken down into groups of 10. So you've got the left side and the right side. And this is just, I've broken it down this way because it's easier to navigate in and out. You never want to make a new entry. You always want to end it where that list has ended in that toggle. I've put a reminder here as well, and you can always jump back to the top. All of these steps that you see are part of the same database, which in the original of that database is stored in this first toggle here. And I can show you what it looks like under the hood. It's really just a giant database with a bunch of different properties. If you are a tech nerd, you might get really excited about this. But a little shortcut that I did for myself is that I pre-filled a lot of my routines, which I'm about to show you, by just copying and pasting the cells similar to Excel or Google Sheets, etc. But yeah, that's the database that controls this thing. You don't need to worry about that if you're not comfortable. The fun part is loading the images and creating your routine. You don't have to fill this in every single day if you don't want to. In fact, I advise you against doing that, as seeing changes in your skin is a bit like watching paint dry. So if you want to do this every few days or at the end of every week, that's absolutely fine. Or if you do want to do it every day, that's completely up to you. And so essentially what you're going to do is you're going to choose today's date, and you are also going to select the products that you use that day from your beauty shelf. So you can see that all of the products that I've uploaded, I can select which ones I used in the AM and which ones I used in the PM. As I said before, you can copy and paste a bunch of these in the database view that I showed you earlier to have them pre-filled like this. My skincare routine was actually different today, so I didn't use these products. Those tend to be the products I use for when I have like a really bad skin day. So actually what I did use in the morning was my cleanser, and I used my toner, and I think I just used bio oil because I have a little bit left and I'm trying to get rid of it. And I used my day cream. So that's correct now. And now I'm just gonna upload my left image, and I'm also gonna upload my right image. If you download the Notion mobile app, you can actually do this straight from your phone, which I normally do, but for demonstration purposes, I'm just showing you on desktop. And this whole template is completely optimized for mobile. So definitely use this on mobile. As you can see, even from my first screenshot, my skin is so much better, and it's cool to be able to track that progress. And honestly, my skin was pretty normal today, so I'm just gonna say that everything was pretty normal. And boom, there we go, progress. And you'll keep doing this and you will be able to track your transformation. So yeah, I really hope that you have fun with this. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Or if you're a skincare brand maybe and you want to make a skincare challenge that you want to send out to your customers using this template, I'd be happy to work with you on that as well. You can email me hi@thenotionbar.com. And yeah, that has been my skincare journey. I hope this helps you. I know it's helping me. I'm so excited to get my skin back to normal. As I mentioned before, my name is Frances and I'm the founder of the Notion Bar. You can find other Notion templates that I have on my website. Here's a quick preview. And if you do want a Notion consultant or a Notion coach, you can also contact me. Here's a little preview of my website. And yeah, don't be afraid to reach out. And also don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video. Really excited for you all to use this, whether you're new to Notion or not new to Notion, but either way, skincare is important, and please, please, please do share your links with me as you progress. I'd love to see this become kind of a tech skincare movement. Yeah, but cool. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you all later. Thanks. Bye.